Welcome! In front of me I have Rubicon LW06 watch, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the OnWear application. Once the devices are paired, we can continue, and now we need to make sure that the required permissions are allowed for the application to send the notifications to our watch. So find the OnWear application on the home screen or in the app menu. Press and hold on this icon, then tap on App Info, and this should bring you to this page. Now tap on the permissions, and here we need to allow a couple of permissions. We need to tap on call logs, allow it, tap on contacts, allow it, tap on phone, allow it, and tap on SMS to allow it. Okay, so once you allow call logs, contacts, phone, SMS, you can close this menu. And now we can open the OnWear application. In the app, you should see the home page. Now tap on the device icon. And here you should see the device page for your watch. And on this page, we have options like call reminder and notification reminder. The call reminder is basically the notifications about calls. So if somebody calls you on your phone, the watch will vibrate and it will display the contact info of who's calling you. And you can enable it by tapping on the switch like this. And the notification reminder is basically, it allows you to display the notifications from the applications. So if you enable this option, you will need to allow the permission for the notification access. So you need to tap on confirm. This will redirect you to this page, and on this page find the OnWear application. Tap on it, tap on the allow, or on the switch, then allow. And once it says allowed under the OnWear, we can go back to the app and we can enable the notification reminder now. And we can enable and disable the notifications for specific apps, as you can see, messages, WeChat, QQ, and stuff like that. Customize it to your liking, and at this point you should be able to receive the notifications on your watch. So you can close the app. Okay, and that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.